Hey guys, Bree here with your trainer tip of the week, and today I'm going to give you a few suggestions on how to start your day at your absolute best. I'll be giving you a total of 3 tips. Tip number 1, avoid hitting the snooze button. When you push snooze and let yourself go back to sleep, your body thinks it's a false alarm. So then when your alarm goes off again, your body and your brain are taken by surprise, resulting in a groggy, fuzzy-headed feeling which can affect you throughout the rest of your day. Many professionals recommend waking up at about the same time each morning, especially during the work week, just to get your body into a habit. Tip number 2 is to drink water immediately upon waking. I recommend drinking about an 8 to 10 ounce glass of filtered water within the first 15 minutes of your day. This is an important step in your morning routine to get your system going. Tip number 3 is to eat breakfast every day. There are many benefits to eating breakfast each morning, and some of them include improved concentration and performance, more energy, help with weight management, and making better food choices throughout your day, along with so many more. I recommend including protein and/or fiber into your breakfast. Some great healthy examples include eggs, oatmeal, whole wheat toast, plain Greek yogurt, smoothies, fresh fruit, etc. Talk to us if you need some more specific options that will fit into your lifestyle. Incorporate these 3 things into your morning routine and you'll be ready to take on whatever your day has in store for you.